Hey guys, it's Candy, and I am here with another mixed media page. I have been using this calendar to work in my mixed media book that I made, and this time I used, let's see where it is. I used this one, I believe, to do the page. So let me open this up. So I gessoed the background, put some stamping, and I put some music pages back there, and some mixed media just pages that I had, and then I cut out the birds and glued them down, and then I used gelatos to color the background, the greens and the yellows, to kind of put the color in there, and then I just used a gel pen to write the words, and I used some drywall tape because this is where the sewing was in this signature, and it didn't work as good as I had hoped. I can really see the edges, so I'm gonna have to learn how to play with that and get that a little bit flatter. And then as it dried and I closed the page, it really cracked a little bit, but that's okay. I'm learning, and I'm having a lot of fun doing these mixed media pages, so I don't care if it's not perfect, but I just love these little images that are in my calendar, and it's been fun to find a place to put them. So anyway, this is my latest mixed media page. I hope you guys like it. Like I say, I'm learning a lot about the products that I have, the gelatos and the paints, and I'm just learning to glue stuff down. So it's been a lot of fun, and just kind of not having any rules, just being able to wing it, because I'm kind of a rule follower. So it's been kind of fun just checking out what I have and how it works. So sorry about the wobble in there, but anyway, hope you guys enjoy this. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.